guys, welcome back. I'm Neha.
And I'm Teju.
Okay, who are the Marvel fans here? That's me.
Me too.
We both like Marvel and my favorite is Avengers.
Yeah.
We were eagerly waiting for the Endgame movie.
And finally we watched it. It was awesome.
Yeah, I never expected some scenes from the movie and the most biggest shock I got is Tony Stark died.
Tony Stark died.
You may ask seriously, but that's the truth.
So what you gonna do today?
Today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY tattoo at home. So for the today's tutorial, I'll be using Avengers logo for my tattoo. So let's get started. To draw a tattoo, I'm using a permanent marker. If you don't have that, no problem. Liquid eyeliner will be a great substitute. Okay, now I'm drawing Avengers logo. Drawing the circles is quite difficult, but no worries, let's do our best. The logo is done now. For the next step, I'm gonna dust some normal face powder. Now take little bit of Vaseline, just a little bit, and spread over the tattoo. And for the final touch, I'm gonna dust the powder again.